Hello, every niyan. Ang dami mo. Ang dami mo. Now, this is what you call secure. Ow. So, we can check them together. Very secured, very nice. I know that shirt anywhere. That's Yuhyun. Oh my god, wait lang. Okay. Anyways, I will double check if 11 nga ba talaga dapat. Kasi I have 3 of these. 3 of these. And I got here 5 of these. Which is K-Town. Aladdin. Then, I forgot the other set. So, baka tama nga na 11. Oh, damn. Okay. Anyways, we have one Yuhyun. Okay, we have one Yuhyun. Good. We have Minji, ribbon Minji. I have Aladdin Minji na pogi. This is Minji hoodie. Damn. This is the Yayan. I got Yayans. Okay. I have another Yayan. Oh, I got Giyu. I didn't get Bora, but okay. I got Daisy. Daisy. It's their song for an OST. But I got Giyu and Yuyeon. Samsamnida. But thank you so much. At least I got 4 out of 8. Thank you. That's a good start. At least I have 4 Yuhyuns. I do need the Cat Girl still. My trials are in the Poca album as well as the normal. For normal, it will be this one. And then for the Poca album, it will be the Catpo one. Yuyeon, please. Yuyeon, please. Wala Cat Girl, Sage Life. But okay. It is what it is. Sacrifice attitude. 2 months. Good luck. Ba't naman ganun kaagad? It slipped. Anyways, we have dugudugudug. We have 1 Suwa from the back. We have 1 Minji. Do we have Yuyeon? We do have Yuyeon. We have 1 out of 3. Oh, damn! Ang swerte ko! Shot po no. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Actually, Sparks. Respectfully, ma'am. Yes. Yes. Respectfully. Ang ganda no. This is the first one. Okay, thank you so much. I love it. I love it. Of course. Yeah, yan. Very nice. Very good pulls. Ang ganda ng shot na yun. Nasaan si you? Yeah. Bias ko yan, guys. Do you see her? Yes. You should. 2 months. Ito. 2 months. This is yung shots na favorite ko. It's the cat shots. Beautiful women. Beautiful grown women. Let's go. Ayo. Is this Bora sign? Yung prayo. Asan yung isa? Okay. Oh, never mind. I have 1 of 3 again. I'm guessing it's gonna be 1 of 3 talaga pala. But we'll see with the last one. But this is one of my prios. The one. We have Pisay Minji. Let's go! Also, Gandara Siwa. Kamsamnida. We are cooking with the pulse. Thank you, Lord. This is my Bora. Oh. Cute, cute. Gonna be my first Bora. Yan! Oh no! May dupa ko. Okay. And then Rose Minji. Thank you so much. I didn't expect a dupe sa dami ng ano. Wala man lang ang aqua flask. Well, that's fine. I can trade. Sige, pag-trade na lang ako. Charis. Please, cut po yun. Please, yun lang po talaga. Menji. We have Menji, everyone. Next is what? We have Bora Shot Puno. Oh my gosh. Let's go. Puro puro inumin yung kay Bora. Let's go. Shwa! Yes. Star Clip, Star Baby Candy. Yung yun. Let's go. Okay, so that's the vibe. Actually, that's not gonna lie. That's good. I will close my eyes and you see. Bora. Not gonna lie, ang dami kong may jacket na Bora. Is Slay though. Wah! Oh my God. Para akong baboy doon, pero yes. I'm winning in life. I'm fucking winning in life. I love life. I'm winning in life. Yung dalawang prayo ko. Yes. Ninji Makgoli. Let's fucking go. Shot Puno. This one. But QR. Menji. This is Menji. Good luck. Okay. Cooking. What? Oh no! Dumoble. Ah! Ooh! Star Clip. But I have 2 dupes. Yuhyun, why? Okay lang. Ang ganda naman. Bakit si Yuhyun lang yung may dupes? Okay lang yan. Prayo ko naman eh. It's gonna be here. Over here. This is Bora. 1, 2, strong. Oh, rar. I think I have this. I think that's my first Bora dupe. What? Dalyuhyun. Oh, damn. Isa pa. What? Kat Minji! Oh! Minji's name. Okay. We don't have a signed one for this one. Menji. Oh! It's classes, Menji. Next is Bora. Okay. Kat Bora. Yuhyun, umuwi ka na. I think I have this. I signed. I will move. Pause. 1, 2, hwa! Minji Kisses. Patay ako sa mga tropa ko. Pero, yes. Wah! Bora Shot Glass. Everyone. Wow! Yes! Oh no! It's a dupe. Oh no! I'm getting dupes kay Yuhyun. Tony, why? I think this is Bora Heart. Okay. We're cooking. What? Martini. At least may shot puno tayo na Yuhyun. Gusto ko yan. Haya! Minji. Pangalawang Minji. Okay. Nagka-dupe na si Minji. Yorobun. But I need a cat here. 1. Tony baka naman. Bora na naman to. Dumoble ang ating Borarar. Baka pangatlo ko na ngayon. Oof. Minji Martini and okay, ito yung isang wala. Oh my gosh, mainly concepts. But yeah, Minji Martini has been secured. We cooked. Though walang bora for Lele. Walang payami si Lele na bora! But yeah, ang dami akong ilalako kasi I guess I'm keeping most of it. Well, definitely the Yuhyuns, but the other ones, ilalako ko sila for trade or something. I don't know. Okay, anyong